All right, welcome to this special edition of Mathematics Meal, the edition we tag breakfast question. We have breakfast question 15 that we want to solve in this particular edition. Now, there is need for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. That's very, very important. Okay, let's begin. The question we have is from theory of logarithm, and we're going to solve it by applying the knowledge of theory of logarithm. We have so many videos on theory of logarithm where we had a full class on various aspects of theory of logarithm. Just watch those videos and you will understand or know more about theory of logarithm. So let's begin this particular question. Given that log 3 in base 12 is equal to x, express log 8 in base square root of 3 in terms of what? X. Okay? We are trying to express this logarithm in terms of x. That means our interest will be how are we going to obtain this from here? That should be our interest. Okay? Let's go together. We have log 3 in base 12 is equal to x. I can apply the reciprocal law in logarithm, the change of base law, and I'm going to have this. All of this can be written as 1 over log 12 base 3. I did not change anything. I just translated it based on the law of logarithm. Okay? It's beautiful. We go further. I can actually have this to be 1 over, I can split this to log 4 times 3 in base 3 now is equal to x. Right? Okay? We can go further to this point. Applying the first law of logarithm, when you have two numbers multiplying, you can split them using addition operation in logarithm. So I can write this as 1 divided by log 4 base 3, then plus log 3 in base 3. They are still equal to what? X. Is still equal to x. Is equal to x. So now we know that logarithm of a number to its own base will give us 1. So this will reduce further. We have 1 divided by log 4 in base 3 plus 1 plus log 3 in base 3 is 1. Now my interest is how will I obtain 8? How will I obtain 8 here and then insert a square root here? That should be my interest. Now let's look at how can I form 8 from 4. 8 from 4. Now I know that 4 is the same thing as 8 raised to power 2 over 3. 2 over 3. Okay? Then how will I form 3? Square root. Yeah, how will I form the square root of 3 from 3? I know that 3 also is square root of 3 all squared. Beautiful. I know that 8 raised to power 2 over 3 is something as cube root of 8 raised to power 2. And 8 raised to power 2 is 64. And the cube root of 64 is 4. So this and this are the same. So I can use this to replace this. Now root 3 squared is root 3 times root 3, which will give us what? 3. So this and this are the same. So I can use that to replace it here. So two things that we are going to do. Remember, this is still equal to x. Our interest is to transform this to become, where is it? There. So we have said that 4 is something as 8 raised to power 3 over 2. Sorry, 8 raised to power 2 over 3. Cube root of 8 is 2. 2 squared will give us 4. And we have said that 3 is the same thing as square root of 3 squared. So if I use that here, I'm going to have, substituting that here, I'm going to have 1 divided by logarithm now, log 8 raised to power 2 over 3 plus 1. And then here, instead of 3, I have square root of 3 squared. Oh, beautiful. This is beautiful. Now, I will use the laws of logarithm to remove these powers from here. Yeah. I'll use the laws of logarithm to remove this power. Remember, this is still equal to what? X. Let me use that and remove the powers from the base and also from the number. If I do that, I will have 1 divided by this coming over. When the power is on the base, it becomes the reciprocal of the coefficient, and then times 2 over 3 log 8 root 3 plus 1 is equal to x. Alright? Okay? This will now give me, this will cancel out. I will have 1 over 3. Sorry. Let's put that 1 over 3 log 8 root 3. And this should be plus 1 here is equal to what? X. Now, if we do a transposition, this to that, I sort of clearing the fraction now. I'm going to have that 1 over 3 log 8 root 3 plus 1 will give me 1 over x. Yeah, when I invert this, I also invert that side, or you clear the fraction, what they call cross multiplication, right? Then I can take this to this side. I have 1 over 3 log 8 square root of 3 will give me 1 over x minus 1. And 1 over x minus 1 will give me 1 minus x over x. Right? That's what I'm going to have. Then I have 1 over 3 log 8 root 3. Now, to make log 8 root 3 the subject, because that's our interest, we have to express log 8 root 3 in terms of x. To make it the subject, multiply both sides by 3. Multiply both sides by 3. If I multiply this 3 times 1 over 3 log 8 root 3 is equal to 3 times 1 minus x over x. This is gone. I'm left with what? Log 8 in base 3, in base root 3 equals this. So I'm going to have 3 brackets 1 minus x over x. So we have succeeded in doing that. You can still expand this. You have 3 minus 3x all over what? All over x. Wow. That's our breakfast question number 15. I believe you enjoy the video. The essence of all this video is to stimulate you and to make you to fall in love more and more with mathematics. Continue to enjoy our videos and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and invite your friends to subscribe and also follow us on Facebook. Thank you and remain blessed.